Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your keyboard model and the operating system so you know what options to expect. Next, reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI using Del, F2, or ESC depending on your machine. This is where the core behavior lives. Once in BIOS, find the function key behavior or action keys option and note its current state, because changing that flips how F1, F12 operate. Do this now so the following steps change hardware-level defaults rather than temporary software mappings. After you've identified the BIOS option, change the function key behavior to function so F1, F12 act as standard keys by default. Once done, boot into your OS and install or update the vendor keyboard drivers or manufacturer utility. These tools often expose the same toggle in software form and fix firmware quirks. Then, make sure to check operating system keyboard or shortcut settings to remove hotkey conflicts, because OS-level mappings can override hardware choices and prevent. Now test each F key in a text editor and in apps that use them to confirm standard behavior. Press Shift or Control plus an F key to verify modifiers still work. If behavior is inconsistent, reset BIOS to defaults and reapply the function key setting. Sometimes firmware needs a clean start. If issues persist, try an external USB keyboard or a remapping tool so you can force F1, F12 output. If nothing fixes it, contact the manufacturer. Alternatively, use the remap as a reliable workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.